The length of a classroom window was measured as 400 centimeters. Okay, look at that question. The length of a classroom window was measured as 400 centimeters. Find the percentage error if the actual length is 399.5 centimeters. Okay, please pay attention. Percentage error is equals to error over actual value multiplied by 100. This is the formula for percentage error. Do you understand? Percentage error is equals to error all over actual value multiplied by 100. Now, to get the error, listen to me. Listen. To get the error, we've been given in the question that the length was measured as 400 centimeters instead of 399.5 centimeters. So the actual measurement, which is the actual value, the actual measurement is what? 399.5 centimeters. Now, the actual value is 399.5 centimeters. Now, this length, the real value, this is the real value, you understand? Now, when they made mistake, they measured this length as 400 centimeters. So, the actual value of the length is what? 399.5 centimeters. You get it? Now, there is a mistake in the measurement, so they ends up measuring 400 centimeters. So the percentage error equals to error. To get the error now, it will be the difference between this and this. You understand? So I'm going to have 400 minus 399.5 centimeters all over the actual value. The actual value is the measurement of that window itself. So that will be what? 399.5 centimeters times 100. Okay, this will cancel this. So I'm going to have 400 minus 399.5. That is what? 0.5. 0.5 all over 399.5 times 100. Okay, 0.5 divided by 399.5. That is times 100. For this, I'm going to have 50 over 399.5, right? Because 0.5 times 100 is what? 50. 50 divided by 399.5, that is 0.125. 0.125%. Okay. So the correct option to that question is 0.125. Do you understand? That is option A. Option A is correct. 0.125. That is the percentage error. You can see that it's simple. You just have to pay attention to the details of the question. Do you understand? Master this formula. Percentage error equals to error over actual value times 100. Okay. The error is the difference between the length that was mistaken. You understand? The wrong measurement. Are you getting it? And the actual measurement. You understand? So divided by that will give you the error. Divided by the actual value. The actual value is the actual length of the window. Are you getting it? Times 100. Are you getting it? Because percentage is expressed in 100. Okay, so that is the solution to that question.